So here is the revised syllabus for 2020-2021 SEBA board. So here all the instructions are given for class 9 and 10. So according to the general instructions, there will be CCE, continuous comprehensive evaluation, because the HSL, whether it will be possible to conduct SSLC or not, it is doubtful because of the pandemic situation. So SEBA guides the schools to for this CCE evaluation, continuous comprehensive evaluation, from unit test onwards. So for class 9 unit test, 20 marks, 20%, half yearly 30%, annual 50%. This is the procedure for class 9. Here the subjects are given in the middle part. English, starting from English to elective subjects. We will come back to that. Here the distribution of marks according to types of questions are also given. Evaluation in English for internal assessment. Unit test, 5 very short. Oral questions, oral activities, 5 marks. Half yearly examination, internal assessment, 10 marks. Spoken English project. So this is very important. Spoken English has been given a lot of importance. For English medium it is not very difficult, but for Assamese medium this is a challenging, because hardly few students know to speak in English, and fluency is very much needed. At least you have to communicate what you know. So here marks, internal assessments for maths, science and social are given. Marks distribution of unit test are given here. 2 questions for 5 marks, 12 questions 2 marks for each, 10 questions 1 marks for each, 6 questions 1 marks for each, 6 into 1. So here are some of the holidays as well as some of the skills which students should know. Role of school is given. You can go to the details. I have given the link in the description box. You can check. This is the very important part. Unit test portion, half yearly portion, unit test, annual portion, annual whole course. So let's see, from April to September. Everything is given here, you can check, but I will concentrate in English part. First unit test, left hand side you can check. So this part, fun, this is for class 9. Class 9 English. Fun day had, road not taken, sound of music, etc. We will go to class 10. Yes, this is the part. Here is the first unit test part. A Letter to God, A Tiger in the Zoo, Kurg, Nelson Mandela, Amanda, Tense, Determiners, Letter Writing, spoken English. So spoken English is given very much importance from unit test onwards. Now I have already completed all this in my channel except letter writing. Letter writing we will do in the next. Please check. Then for second unit test, Tea from Assam, Footprints Without Feet, Tale of Custard Dragon, Animals, Sentence Correction, Substance Writing and Spoken English. So for second unit test, I have given Tea from Assam, Footprints, Tale of Custard Dragon. These three are there. Animals, although it is there, I will make one more because some mistakes were there. Mistakes means I added music. So the sentence correction is also there. You can check. The rest I will give very soon. So this is for unit test 1 and unit test 2. Next comes I'm seeing to the English part, class 9. Here is class 10 for the month of April. Letter to God, Tiger in the Zoo. Then May. Each of the month they have guidelines what to teach. English, Nelson Mandela, Amanda, Determiner, letter writing. May. Then for June, Kurg, Determiner, letter writing, substance writing. Substance writing also we have to do. Then comes July. July we have to complete Midnight Visitor. Midnight Visitor I have already included this. Then vocabulary part, translation, spoken English. This for July. Then August, is it there? Yes, August. That is August. July, nothing is given, no? Because it's yes, July nothing is given. Maybe summer vacation. So for August, this already given. Midnight Visitor, vocabulary, translation, spoken English. This is for September. September, a question of trust, synthesis of sentence, story writing, spoken English. Then for October, we have animals, Tea from Assam, revision, verb phrases, comprehension, spoken English, project, assignment, evaluation, spoken English evaluation. Now Tea from Assam already I have given. Verb phrases I have given. All the sentences I have given from question bank. More than 100 verb phrases I have given. Please check. Comprehension we will do very soon. And project, assignment, evaluation, these are for internal assessment. So how school conducts, it's depend on that. For November we have the Tale of Custard Dragon, Footprints Without Feet, sentence correction, substance writing. November. Then comes December. What we have? Madam Rides the Bus, the Ball poem, voice, preposition, comprehension, essay writing, spoken English. Madam Rides the Bus is not there in my channel till now. The Ball poem is there, voice, preposition, all are there. Essay writing is also there. I have given all the essays. Please check. All the essays I have given important essays. December. Then for January, hack driver narration, report writing, translation, spoken English, project assignment, etc. English evaluation. Hack driver, I think I have not given. Narration I have given. Report writing I have given. 2 report writing I have given. You check, please. Translation we have to do. And for February only, revision is there because you will have your last examination. If there is no HSLC examination conducted by SEBA board, then it will be conducted in your school. So February only revision is given. So that's all for this syllabus. Basically I have concentrated on English subject. You can check everything, and for details you can check the link given in the description box. Thank you.